Inspection of industrial assets traditionally requires sending inspectors to elevated and confined areas, which is both expensive and dangerous. Avestec has developed a solution using intelligent flying robots that can quickly, safely, and cost-effectively complete all inspection requirements. With this technology, what used to take a team of inspectors 10 days can now be done in a single day by 2 operators. The robots have an unlimited flight capacity and a patented attachment mechanism that allows them to perform ultrasonic thickness measurements and visual inspections with ease. Additionally, a cloud-based reporting software, like Avestec, uses artificial intelligence to analyze the data and automatically generate reports so that informed decisions can be made quickly. This technology is a great advancement that not only saves time and money, but also keeps workers safe from the dangers of traditional inspection methods. Thank you for watching.